The panel is testing your thinking, not your English. Marami sa mga followers dito sa page, madalas tinatanong sa akin, Sir, paano po kung hindi ako magaling mag-English as defense? Let me tell you something important. Panelists are not grading your accent. They are listening to your thinking. Hindi mo kailangan ng complicated English para pumasa sa defense. What they want to hear is your reasoning. For example, you can simply say, the study used correlational design because it aimed to determine the relationship between the variables. Simple, logical, clear. Mas okay ang simple English na naiintindihan mo kaysa deep English na minemorize mo lang. Remember, panelists evaluate how well you understand your research, not how fancy your English sounds. During defense, clarity beats complexity. So ang tanong ko, be honest, kinakabahan ka ba sa English during defense? Comment yes or no. Thank you, my dear researchers.